What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, man. And I am a piece of shit, man. I ain't been posting for y'all. Appreciate y'all coming to the comment section, looking out for me, and making sure all is good. But I'm just a hustler, man. I do so much shit. So it's been a tiring week for me. I've been shooting a ton of music videos and all the other stuff I do from my brand, and it's been a crazy week for me. So I owe you guys two videos today. So I'm gonna show you guys what my main numbers were and how it's going for me so far this month. So this video, I'm gonna show you guys my main numbers. Um, Pretty much averaged about 2 sales a day, two, some days three. Um, so it wasn't too bad as far as how many items I sold, but the actual shirts that were selling were my, no royalty shirts. So I sold 58 items this month, two returns, made $112, $1.93 per item. So yeah, I was a little sad about this number this month as far as, royalty per sale. But like I said, I can't really control which one of my items sell, but the one that sold the most this month was kind of a one word text type shirt. So um, that's how that was. Let's go down here. So I sold 51 standards, 5 iPhone cases, only one hoodie. I usually sell a lot more hoodies, so definitely can tell that summer's approaching. I'm definitely going to start selecting more tank tops instead of hoodies, because hoodies are my favorite because I get the highest royalty. I usually put between $34.99 and $40. So I'm a little sad about that, but it's okay. That season will come around again. Q4, I'm going to kill it. 52% men, 34% women, couple kids shirts, unisex. Oh, hold on. Let me go ahead and blur that out. So, um, let's see. This shirt right here sold the most, and this is a one-word text shirt, real simple. Um, and this is kind of why my royalties are low, because this shirt, I barely charge anything for it. But a little bit of everything sold in my account. Usually people kind of have, one or two shirts that's driving all the traffic. But as you can see, it's a little bit of everything is sold. Um, but yeah, so this is how the month was. I definitely want to press up these royalties. But um, I'm definitely going to post later today and show you guys what my numbers are this week. But hey, till next time, you guys hit that sub button. Um, Attack that comment section. Let me know you fucking with me. And till next time. Do you need help finding profitable niches? You need help designing, finding vectors and things to go in your shirts, fonts? Well, if you do, come on over to my Gumroad store. Um, I have a niche research list of thousands and thousands of different occupations you've never heard of, hobbies, passions, animals, things that'll help you tremendously. And that's only $5. I also have these two font packs right here. Every month I'll have a new font pack. And then right here is a vector pack. It's up for $19.99, and because I love you guys so much and you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to give it to you for $5. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to set the code right here. And here's the discount code right here, MyMerch420. Right before checkout, it's going to ask you for a discount code. And you just type that in and you can get it for $5, okay? So I love y'all,
and be back for the next video. Make sure y'all hit that sub button.